Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is rejigging communities within an enterprise. Our guest speaker today is Ms. Ambika Natarajan, General Manager, Head KM Delivery Assurance at HCL. She played various roles across a career of 15 years that includes sub-editor for a print media, courseware and instructional design, e-commerce trainer, freelance web development, KM and training consultant, and head of KM for delivery assurance in HCL Technologies. A postgraduate in physics and electronics specialization, a certified knowledge manager from International Knowledge Management Institute, she has completed the Emerging Leadership Program from Harvard Business School. Ambika holds an accreditation from Sinefin on Future Backwards Envisioning Model, part of the Women's Leadership Team at HCL Technologies. She is a gold medalist in her under and postgraduate, responsible for putting together the KM framework for the delivery organization at HCL for last 6 years. Core work areas and passion include communities, knowledge management and processes, knowledge management strategy, design, execution, mentoring, K indices, analytics, KM automation, K modeling, employee engagement, social architecture for an enterprise, diversity, white spaces, indication, to name a few. So without further delay, I introduce you to our guest speaker. Over to you, Ms. Ambika.
Thank you so much for the introduction, Mohini, and hello everyone who's joined in for the call today. Thank you so much for joining the session. It's a virtual audience, and the challenging part of the virtual audience is that I don't get to see you, so I only get to know you from the questions that you're going to raise and the conversations that we are going to have. But when I spoke to the organizer, interestingly, what I got to know is the audience for the TechGeek webinars that are conducted is predominantly folks from the IT industry. Having understood that, the way I have structured the session today is it is aimed at anyone who wants to either start a new community or make more out of existing communities within their organization or in their purview, is a part of some community or the other, or is toying with the idea of setting up a new one, either in their department or within the organization. Now, another point that I want to share is this seminar is not about citing good practices from other organizations, neither is it about picking up case in point. Instead, what I have put together for all of you listeners is a set of very practical use cases or scenarios, as I call them, which would go on to forming a solid reason or a purpose for setting up and nurturing and growing communities in your organization. So that's what I have for you today. The next 40 minutes is going to be on the presentation, but I'm going to leave a lot of time for us to have your questions and also for us to have conversations, because that is where I will also get to understand if you have any specific scenarios in mind that you would like to understand how to take it up and how to go about setting it in your organization, right? So we'll start that. Now, before we get on to the very first slide, I wanted to do a quick sizing and understanding of what you know about communities. Have you been a part of communities? So I'm going to ask the organizer, Mohini, to open up the first